Too much pressure could damage your paint, too little flow wastes your time. The Ryobi RY14AM12 nails the balance. It's built specifically for automotive detailing. This is how you wash your car the right way. This corded electric unit delivers 1.8 gallons per minute at 1200 PSI. A rare combo that's gentle on your paint, but relentless on dirt. That high flow rinses away grime faster than most light duty pressure washers, and the low PSI keeps trims, emblem, and paint finishes safe. You get a stubby trigger handle for easy maneuvering, a 40-foot hose so you can wash an entire vehicle without moving the machine, and 4 automotive nozzles, including a foamer, for safe, effective detailing right out of the box. Setup is quick and simple, operation is smooth, and the flow means fewer passes and faster rinses. For many, this is the perfect middle ground between a garden hose and a large pressure washer. My old F-250 has been in dire need of a wash and figured this would be a good experiment. The truck has not been washed in who knows how long, and I'm pretty sure you might even have some moss growing on it. I started with using the foamer. I filled the container with some basic car wash soap and attached it to the washer hose. There's nothing that you have to do, as the machine just adjusts the GPM output based on the tip that is connected. I layered the soap on the truck and let it set. I did notice that the foamer seemed to easily use 2 to 3 times more soap than my regular foam cannon, so be aware that you will consume more than you might expect. As far as washing, it's a pressure washer. The tips are nice because they are larger with rubber overmold, which would protect your paint should you bump something. Also, the detachable wand extension has a slight bend to it, which makes roofs, wheel wells, and undercarriage a little easier to get to. Ultimately, the grime was easily washed away without me using a mitt on my truck. So here are some of my pros and cons based on my use. I find that the pressure and flow is really balanced for doing car paint. What's really nice too is the 40-foot hose makes it so I don't have to keep moving around the pressure washer. The stubby handle with a slight bend in it makes it easy to get into tight spaces. And you really get a complete kit with the nozzles, the foamer, and everything you need to get started. But it's not perfect. And there are a few cons to note. It's really not powerful enough to do things like washing your house or driveway. It's not a heavy-duty pressure washer. The built-in included foamer is good, but I think you're gonna wanna opt for an aftermarket option, as this one seems to use a lot of soap. Being that it is a corded design, you are gonna have to run this where you have power available, and probably my biggest bummer is that there's no storage built into the machine for the cords. Bottom line, this is not a one-size-fits-all pressure washer. It's a purpose-built detailing tool that cleans faster, protects your paint, and makes weekend wash day a pleasure. If you love your car, the Ryobi RY14AM12 is one of the smartest investments you can make in keeping it looking brand new. What you get is a 3-year warranty, and it runs for $149, and it comes with everything you need to get started other than some soap. Do you wash your car at home, or do you go through the drive-thru? Would this Ryobi car-specific car pressure washer make your life easier? Tell me in the comments what you do to wash your car and why. Do you like this video? Give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that bell button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on our next video. And as always, thanks for watching.